No good. Hindi pumasok. Second shot. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha. Ni Tablang. Pass to Ancheta. Ancheta dribbling the ball. Going to the goal. Pass to Vegas. Itinira. Good for 2 points only.
Wala lang.
Zito of KKD. Off! Naagaw ni Pastor. Itinira. Villegas on the free throw line. First throw. Pumasok. All 67. Second throw. Hindi pumasok. Kuklayan. Pass to Tablang. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ang bola ni Tablang. Tablang ng Kabatayan. Pass to Tablang. Another Tablang. Oh! Steal by Zito. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Tablang. Foul only. Ancheta. Pass to De Vera. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Kuklayan sa Tablang of KKB. Itinira. Basket. 2 points. Ang lead. De Vera. Pass to Ancheta. Hinabol. Ball. Pass. Ancheta to Villegas. Pass to Tablang. Pinasa ulit kay Pastor. Up. What happened? Bernal of KKB is now dribbling the ball. Up. Itinira. Pasok. Points of the KKB. Tablang. Pass to De Vera. Pass to Tablang. Ng Kabatayan. Pass to Ancheta. Ancheta. Pass to Tablang. Itinira. Pasok. Counted. 2 points. Kuklayan. Oh! Steal by Ancheta. Ancheta is dribbling the ball. Pass to Villegas. Villegas itinira. Hindi pumasok. Naagaw ni Bernal. Bernal of the KKB is now dribbling the ball. Pass to Tablang. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Pasok. 2 points. Ancheta ng Kabatayan is now dribbling the ball. Natangkang agawin ni Vito. Counted. Points of Kabatayan. Ang nakabasket ay si Tablang. Duklayan, pass to Tablang. Tablang itinira. Pasok. 2 points for the KKD. Tablang ng Kabatayan ipinasa kay Tablang. Tablang to Villegas. Villegas itinira. Hindi pumasok. Bernal is now holding the ball. Up. Pass to Humol. Humol is now dribbling the ball. Pass to Vito. Itinira. Pasok. 2 points for KKB. Tablang of Kabatayan. Pass to Ancheta. Idinidribble. Ancheta. Still dribbling the ball. Pass to Villegas. Pass to Tablang. Hindi pumasok. Rebounded. Up. Steal by Humol of the KKB. Up. Ay! Ancheta. Ancheta to Tablang. Tablang, itinira, hindi pumasok. Rebounded by Tablang. Pasok. 2 points. Zero of the KKB pass to aiming for the goal. Duklayan. Steal by De Vera. Pass to Ancheta. Ancheta. Blocking by Humol. Pass to Tablang. Pass to Villegas. Itinira. Another point for the Kabatayan. Bernal to Vito of the KKB. Inidribble ng mataas ang bola. Pinasa kay Humol. Itinira. Pasok. Points for the KKB. 79-75, last 10 minutes. Villegas, itinira, hindi pumasok. Steal by Goclayan. Goclayan, pass to Humol. Humol to the blank. Ready for the goal. Hindi pumasok. Bernal. Bernal, to the blank. Off, Goclayan, itinira. Rebounded by Rivera, pass to the blank. Pinasa kay Ancheta. Ancheta off. Zito is now giving the goal. Aiming for the goal. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Off. Pass to Tablang. Tablang. Pinasa. Pass to Tablang. Tablang is aiming for the goal. Pinaay, nakuha ni Ancheta. Pass to Villegas. Pass to Ancheta. Basket. 2 points for Katatayan. Bernal to Tablang. Tablang, aiming for the goal. Hindi pumasok. Tablang. Op. Itinira, hindi pumasok. Again, rebounded by Tablang. Itinira. Pasok. Ayan. Goclayan, pass to Tablang. Goal, basket. 2 points for KKB.
Tambangan na.
Rivera to Ancheta. Ancheta, Bertayan is dribbling the ball. Aiming for the goal, ipinasa kay Villegas. Itinira, hindi pumasok. Rebounded by Rivera, itinira, hindi pumasok. Ancheta on the rebound. Pasok. All 8-1 in favor of nothing. Bernal. Paso Tablang. Tablang sa Bertayan, aiming for the goal. Itinira ang bola, hindi pumasok. Ancheta, rebounded the ball. Another rebound, Ancheta off, na-block ni Bernal. Basket. And throw. Another point. To regard to Mark. Mark of the KKB is dribbling the ball. Aiming for the goal. Pass to Tablang. To Goclayan. To Mark. Itinira. Hindi pumasok. Steal by Rivera. Pass to Tablang. Ancheta of Katatayan. Now aiming for the goal. Pass to Villegas. Itinira, hindi pumasok. Rebounded by Rivera. Ay, is now on the free throw line. Lamang na ang Katatayan. Free throw, pasok. Ancheta again on the free throw line. Second throw. Hindi pumasok. Last 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Mark to Tablang. Tablang, pass to Trinidad. Basket.